Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Exbooks, which are Python examples. We'll be doing the work on Kaggle and you're learning with DevKlearner. So just coming back to the Kaggle again. So yesterday we talked about um, example number 10, and in the example number 10 we saw that it is asking us to find the smallest number in the list. So they say that you will be given a list, and from that list you have to find the smallest number. For example, if you see in the example, it returns 3 because that is what is the index number for 0. So this is what I've written down a method. I've written down define minimum num from list 1. So what I'm doing is I'm saying that I'm creating a variable and saying that let min num is equal to list 1, and then min num1 index is equal to 0, because this is the index that we are talking about. So we are saying that we are taking the index as 0, and then we are working on the minimum list 1. So this is where we're writing down a range which will go from 0 to the length of the list, and then it will be comparing the numbers in sequence, the first number to the first number, the second to the smallest number to the first number, the smallest to the second number, the smallest to the third number. So that's what it's going to do. But there is one thing which I wanted to show you, that if I've written down this as 0, I can write down 1 comma length as well, because going from 0 is redundant because we have already given it a value of 0. So irrespective whether you write down 0 or 1, or you don't give any number, it will be fine, because in either case it will be doing 1 step extra, but the answer would be correct. And then we'll be checking if it is the minimum number. If the minimum number is greater than equal to the first number of the list, then it will go to the this part inside the if loop. It will write down the value in the min number and put the index, a min index equal to I, the iteration of the loop. And this will keep on going till the time the length completely executes. So I will just run this. And although I've just done it without giving 1, I'll first try to run it by giving 1 as well. So it gives me all the truths, because all the answers which I'm getting and what the system is expecting to get an output is the same. So this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 5. The smallest is 0. 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 0. The smallest is 5, because 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth index is 0. Then we are talking about the second, because 0, 1, 2. And in this one, this is the smallest, which is 1. So that is at the position 0, 1. And then in the third one, we have the third position, but it is 0, 1, 2. So that is equivalent to 1. So that is the example which I wanted to show you. Then tomorrow we'll be talking about another example, in which we'll be having given a list and a number k. So what we have to do is we have to give the k length list, the k being the length of the new list, and if k is greater than the list of numbers, or the length of the existing list that has been given, then it will be given with the complete list. For example, in this one we are writing down 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, so it is having a length of 6, but here we are writing down 8, so it is giving us all the numbers. So here we are writing down 1, so it is giving you only 1, which is the 0 index. So 3, it is talking about 0, 1, 2, 3, so it is only giving you 3 numbers. So that we are going to talk tomorrow. So again, with that, I think we have moved a bit forward in our learning. And don't forget to write down your comments, or if you want to get in contact with me, you will find out the email address in the comments below, which is nothing except that devklearner@gmail.com. And if you're new to my channel, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest videos and you can keep learning with me every day. And if you are an old or existing user, I will request you to like my videos so that I can be motivated and I can be writing down more videos for you, creating more videos for you. And if you find these videos suitable and helpful to you, please don't forget to share it with the people. So with that, I thank you again and have a wonderful day ahead.